Hi everyone. Windows keep pushing Microsoft account, but there is a clean way to create a local account on 25H2. I'll guide you through Rufus, show you every click and keep it beginner friendly. Don't skip. One line promise what the video covers. In this video, build a Rufus USB installer, install Windows 11 25H2 and create a local account. Step by step, I'll guide you through. You will need a Windows 11 25H2 ISO file. So you need to download it from this particular website, which is the official website of Microsoft account, which you can download it and it's free. So here is the ISO file. Select it, Windows 11. Click download now. It will take some time and the download will get automatically downloaded in your download folder. You need to select the language from here. Let's select it English United States. Confirm and click the 64-bit download depending upon your bit. My bit is 64, so I'll download 64-bit download. If it's a 32-bit, you need to select 32-bit. It will automatically shows up in the screen itself. So I'll select the 64-bit download ISO file. So it will get automatically saved in your download folder. So it's being saved in my download folder. I'll skip this process. I'll show you here. This is the tool which I'm going to use it, which will help you to escape the Microsoft account. So this is a tool is available in the internet. It's Rufus, which you can download it. It's an open source and you don't need to pay anything. And this is a trustworthy tool. You can select the ISO file from here and then check the partition as a GPT and select the target system. I is UEFI, which you can check it in your system settings. Okay, now you can see here I'll just make some changes here. I'll name it as a volume level Windows 11 25H2. So you can give it any name depending how you can recognize the USB. It's better to give it a name, proper name. And then when this name has been entered, like you need to select start button from here. Click it. Here you can see couple of things which is I have checked it. So make sure you checked it here. Remove requirement, which is mandatory 4 GB plus RAM, which is get automatically removed, and some TPM 2.0 boot level. You can remove it from here. Remove requirement for an online Microsoft account, which I have ticked it. And there is an option for create a local account with username. You can give any username depending upon your choice. I've given admin. It's better to make it admin. You can recognize it properly. Click OK. This will skip and bypass the Microsoft account immediately through the bootable ISO file, which you can create from here. So all the data in the USB, make sure the data is not there in your USB. It's clean and easier to format. So once this process is being completed, you will get a bootable USB. Okay, just wait, it will take some time. Once the USB is completed here, you right click it, run as an administrator. You will get this option on your screen and you click next. Skip the product key. If you have the product key, you can add it here, or else you can later stage you can add it. I'll select the Windows 11 home, click next, click accept. And here it will show whatever the files you want to keep. Just check it to keep all the files intact in your system and it won't get affected. It will be a clean installation and it will get automatically install Windows 11 with local account. So it's nearly done. 55% has been completed. Just wait for the final completion. It will take some time. Once you finish the installation, your system will reboot. And here you can see the Windows 11 screen has been shown. And here you click the country of region. If you're United States, you click it United States. If you're in India, you selected India. Click yes. Once you click yes, here you can see they didn't ask me to sign up for the Microsoft account. Is the admin name which we have given, it has popped up already. But this is a security question, you need to add it. In order, later stage, if you forget your user ID and password, you can recover it from your security questions, the 3 questions which you have entered here. Okay, click next. Your system will automatically reboot. Give it a minute. Don't unplug your charger. Here the welcome screen are getting on for Windows 11. So it's just updating the files and drivers in your system. So it's showing here. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. So remember, skipping a Microsoft account means you won't get built-in cloud synchronization for settings and OneDrive by default. You can sign in later for those services if you change your mind. So it will take some time depending upon your internet speed because it's updating from the Microsoft server. Click next. If you want to not to choose this privacy settings, click no and just skip this process. So accept it. So here you go. We have successfully created admin account locally without having Microsoft account. So this has been bypassed the Microsoft account successfully. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Windows fixes. Comment if you want a downloadable checklist or the Rufus settings screenshots. I have given in the description below the Rufus. You can download it, the link, and the ISO file link of Windows 11 25H2 from the official Microsoft account. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.